Here I am one more time at the Fairfax Creek, and I'm gonna show you one more trick. Didn't know I'd be back here so soon, but hey, I love it here. It's a beautiful day, lovely, perfect weather. Here surrounded by the redwoods and the creek. Couldn't ask for much more on this afternoon. So I got this trick for you, and it's not the hardest trick in the world, but I just learned it. I mean, I never tried to practice it very much. I've been able to do man on the flying trapeze and his brother and double or nothing for a long time, but I just started practicing triple or nothing a couple days ago. So I'm gonna do triple or nothing. And it goes like this. That's triple or nothing. And we can drop all this, unwind into the man on the flying trapeze. And that can go for a couple seconds here. And it's great to see you. You smell great. I better get this back before it starts to tilt too much. Oh, it's tilting, I'll fix it. Just straighten it out a little bit. Okay, so now I'm just gonna bring it back to my hand, and we'll see you next time. Take care.